when I was one of the judges in the music festival in Metro Manila district. I don't know him much yet, but I was one of the judges, and I love the song. And when I started working in Miracle Church of the Nazarene, that's why his name is Miracle, Himala, and I heard that, and he said, "That's my song." It was just borrowed to me by the pastor that put the intro competition, and I love it. And he said, "Can you put voicing on this?" We tried to record this in Salonga Music Studio, but we wanted to sing it live to you today. So this song is dedicated to the Lord and to my husband.